أهلا وسهلا بكم مع درس جديد من دروس المحادثة بالإنجليزية للفنادق والسياحة. في درس اليوم سوف نستمع للضيف في الفندق وموظفة الاستقبال في التليفون تساعده على تشغيل التلفزيون من خلال الريموت كنترول، وفي التسجيل الثاني بين الضيفة وموظفة الاستقبال حول طريقة فتح الخزينة الموجودة في الغرفة بالفندق. نتمنى لكم مشاهدة سعيدة هذه الدروس من إعداد أستاذ محمد أمين، مدرب دورات اللغة الإنجليزية والمحادثة وخبير إعداد الدورات التدريبية.
Exercise 1. The TV.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm having a bit of trouble with the TV.
Oh, is it not working?
No, it seems to be working all right, but I want to get a film and it just keeps going fuzzy.
Okay, have you got the remote control?
Yes?
Right, you want to order a film?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, perhaps it's best if you switch off everything first. That's the green button on the left of the screen.
Okay, everything is off.
Now, switch on the TV. That's the same green button.
Okay.
Then press Video on the remote control.
Video. Okay, done.
You will see a list of films.
Ah, yes, on the top here.
Select a film, use the arrows on the remote control to go up or down, then press OK.
Oh, I see. You have to press OK.
That's right. Then when you press play, the film begins.
I see. It's simple, really, but I'm not very good with these machines.
Don't worry, it's the same for many people. Is that okay now?
Yes, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the film.
The safe.
Is that reception?
Yes, reception. Can I help you?
Yes, please. It's the safe in the room.
Is there something wrong?
Well, it's just that I want to put some jewelry in it, but I'm not sure how it works. There's no key.
No, madam, it works on a code system. You can choose your own code number for the safe, but there should be a little card explaining how it works by the safe.
Oh? I can't see one.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I'll send one up. But do you want to lock some valuables away now?
Yes, please.
So, okay, open the safe door, put your valuables in, and close the door. On the front of the door you will see some letters and numbers.
Letters and numbers? Oh, yes, I see.
Now, tap A, then tap a 6-digit number, then tap C. Remember this number. You'll need it to open the door again.
What's that again?
Tap A, then tap a 6-digit number, then tap C, and remember this number because you'll need it to open the door again.
So I tap A, then 6 numbers, then C. So I choose any 6 numbers?
That's right. And when you've done that, turn the dial quickly and the safe is locked.
So that's A, then 6 numbers, then C, then turn the dial quickly.
That's right, madam. So to open the door again, tap A, then your code number, turn the dial, and the door will open.
Tap A, the code, turn the dial. Okay, I see. But supposing I can't open it again?
Don't worry. If you really get stuck, I'll send someone up to help you.
Oh, thank you. Well, I'll have a go then.
You're welcome.
(8.7) Exercise 2. Being clear and polite. The TV.
First, switch on the TV. Then press Video on the remote control. you will see a list of films. Choose a film. Press OK on the remote control. Press play on the remote control. Sit back and enjoy the film.
The safe.
Open the safe door. Put your valuables in and close the door. On the front of the door, you will see some letters and numbers.